Now let's add an AI agent. An AI agent is essentially an LLM with access to tools. It can reason through a task and decide when to check your calendar, create an event, or send an email rather than just generating text. In Make, after the Google Sheets module, click the plus button and search for Agent. Select Run an Agent. Click Create an AI Agent, then Create a Connection, and click Save. Name your agent, select a model, I recommend the larger one, and enter a system prompt. A system prompt is a set of instructions or guidelines you give to an AI model to define its role, behavior, and goals before it responds to user input. To get you started, I created a system prompt template you can use for this automation. Use the link in the description below. And feel free to adjust it as needed. In the Messages section, add all relevant fields from your spreadsheet, and also the HTML from Browse AI. Then click Save. To give your agent access to tools, open the Agent Settings and go to the Tools section. Click Add Tools and choose Module. For Google Calendar, select Create Module Tool. Search for Google Calendar and add Get Free/Busy information. Then connect your Google account if prompted. When configuring Get Free/Busy information, set the time range fields to Let AI Agent Decide, and under Calendars, turn off mapping and select your calendar from the dropdown. Next, add another tool module for Google Calendar and select Create an Event. Set the Create an Event field to In Detail, Calendar ID to your calendar, Event Name to Let AI Agent Decide, and enable Google Meet video conferencing if you want. For attendees, select Let AI Agent Decide. Set All Day Event to No, and for start and end date, again, choose Let AI Agent Decide. For duration, enter 00:30 to make meetings 30 minutes by default. In the advanced settings, set the description to Let AI Agent Decide. To add Gmail, click Add Tools again and choose Module, and select Gmail. Then send an email. Connect your Google account, and for the To, Subject, and Content fields, set each to Let AI Agent Decide. Change the body type to raw HTML so that the AI can format the email as needed. Once all tools are configured, click Add to save each one. At this point, you'll need a paid Make.com plan to continue. The free plan limits you to 2 active scenarios, and our automation requires both scenarios running plus AI agent capabilities. Plans start at just $9 per month. To upgrade, visit the subscription section of your dashboard, select a plan, check out, and then return to finish adding your modules. Save your agent and scenario. Open your calendar and email in new tabs. In Make, run a test with recent data. If successful, you'll see a new event in your calendar and a personalized email in your inbox.